718. Find the values of y for which the distance between the two given points is supposed to be 10 units. Let's quickly draw a diagram. Let's consider this as a point 1. Let's say this is point P, 2 comma negative 3 given in the question, and another point Q, 10 comma y. Note that the second coordinate is unknown. Let's draw a straight line, and let's consider this point as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Why? Because this is how this distance formula is supposed to be, and the distance is given as 10 units. Let's plug in the values in the distance formula. We know that distance formula is x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, and everything is under square root. So that distance has been given as 10 units. Let's plug in the values. Here x1 is 2, y1 is negative 3, x2 is 10, and y2 is y. So x1 minus x2 the whole square. First we'll get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. 10 square will become 100. And now we will substitute the values of x1 and x2. x1 is 2, x2 is 10. y1 is negative 3 and y2 is just y. So 2 minus 10 is negative 8. Negative 8 square is 64. And the second bracket we will leave it as it is. Now the 64 can be transferred to the other side. That will become negative 64, and 100 minus 64 will become 36. Now we have a square of a bracket equal to 36. And this is where people will make a slight mistake. If you take both sides square root, then this square will get cancelled. And instead of 36, we'll get root of 36. And that's not just 6, that's plus or minus 6. Remember, plus 6 square is also 36. Negative 6 square is also 36. So now, based on which value you select, you get two possible scenarios. In one, we select plus 6, and another one we select minus 6. If you simplify this further, y will be negative 9. If you simplify this side further, we'll get y equal to plus 3. So that means our solution set is y negative 9 comma 3, and that's our final answer.